Hey, today we're going to be looking at the Reolink Duo 3 camera. These cameras are pretty unique into themselves because they have actually two lenses when a normal camera just has one. This is your typical security camera. You can see it's got one lens while the Duo has the dual lens, so you get the 180-degree view. So that's just one feature of these cameras other than the color night vision, the spotlight capabilities, the built-in mic, and the built-in speaker for intercom communications. I do want you to be aware that this is a sponsored video. Reolink, shout out to them. They sent me out these cameras to kind of do a little review and kind of testing of their new Duo 3 camera. The camera does come with pretty much everything you need to get up and going besides a PoE adapter or a PoE switch. Comes with your Ethernet cable, the manual, a nice sticker there, the waterproof connector to secure and waterproof your Ethernet cable when it gets connected, the mounting, the hardware, everything that you need to get up and going. These cameras are going to be on sale for Amazon Prime Day, of course, so I would definitely keep a lookout for these. Be able to see a link in the description directly to the cameras you see here on the screen. Definitely going to be a good buy on Amazon Prime Day just because they're going to be 30 to 40% off, and these are really great high quality cameras. The company Reolink has been in business since 2009. They really have innovative products. This is just a perfect example of one of their cameras. One thing that I do like about these cameras is it's got the built-in micro SD slot right below here where the reset button's at. And you can put it up to a 256 gig micro SD, so you can record onto the physical camera. You can plug it in and record it to an actual NVR. You just have so many options, unlike a lot of the other cameras that this camera gives you above them. Now to go ahead and get started and get these set up, we're going to go ahead and plug it into our PoE adapter and plug it into our network. Then we're going to want it to either go to our PC or on our smartphone, and I'll show you the smartphone way. And we're going to download the Reolink app so we can get this camera set up, but you can also do this on the PC as well if you don't want to do it on your mobile device. So once you scan this QR code to get this set up, all you got to do is install the app, make sure the camera is plugged into your network. Once you have those two things, you just simply go in the app, add the camera, and you scan the QR code behind the camera, and that'll automatically add the device quick and easy. It's that simple. As long as the device is powered on and connected to the same network as your phone, it's so easy to get this thing up and running. Let us review all of the features that you get with the Reolink Duo 3 camera. The smart detection built in to get notified if there's a person or vehicle or animal detected. It has power over Ethernet, so you're just running that one cord. It has a two-way audio, color night vision, 60 megapixel lens, which gives you that 180-degree view. It has that motion tracking option available. It has the multiple storage option, so you can save your videos to the built-in micro SD card reader, which allows you to do up to 256 gigs. And then it's got that Reolink NVR option, so you can hook it up to a Reolink NVR or really any NVR. And then it also has an FTP server connection, so if you want to connect to an FTP server, you can do that as well. One of the last things I wanted to point out was how easy it is to mount this. Literally, you got one screw on the bottom, and then you have this one mounting bracket with a couple screws you mount to the wall, and then you can mount your camera on that. I mean, it's a very simple installation. So let's go ahead and go up on our wall here, and we're going to mount it right up here just so you can see how easy it is to get it mounted. All right, as you can see, we got our mounting bracket up here. We screwed it in place. Now we're going to take our camera, and it's going to be as simple as just sliding it right into our bracket, and then we can screw in the final screw here and get that nice and tight. All right, we got our screw. Now we're going to go ahead and screw that into place. And that's done. Now we can move our camera wherever it needs to be. And that's how simple it is to get this mounted. All you need is two screws and then the single screw here to secure it to the bracket, and then that's it. I hope today I showed you some features that you might be interested in checking out the Reolink Duo 3 camera. And well, of course, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.